turned it inside out, and now to sew back down the other side, or the back of the arm, actually you need to pinch it together like this, because to get the right sides facing. So however it works for you, and again I'm going through the back loop only, and so I'm going to sew all the way down with the edges joined, and when I get down to the bottom here, this is where, as long as the corners meet, just in here, sewing right down to the corner, and then you're just sewing around the corner for a little bit, making sure that you evenly sew the ends of the sleeve. The few centimeters that you've left, you're sewing that across. So if you can see, this is your sleeve, sewing right down here, and in the same way pinching the right sides together and sewing together, and you can, as you're doing that, you might want to put a little extra one in there. Hopefully that's somewhat explanatory. That's what you sewn earlier.